you mean? And Violet's gonna. Oh, you cunt! This guy's just hit my car. Can you pull over now, mate? I've just been hit by some geezer. Just hit my car.
Alright, keep calm.
I will. PE10 GCU.
Calm down.
I'm not angry. You pull over now, mate.
Do you want me to come with you?
Yeah. Call the police. Get the fucking phone. Get the police. Him. Hit and run. Yeah. Yeah, you call the police.
Hey, Violet, don't cry, Violet.
No, she ain't crying. Right.
Heads up, I'm gonna be buzzing for the next hour.
What the f?
The Power Hungry with OVO. You can choose 2 hours of free
Stupid f***ing cunt!
What, more I said? Yeah. Oh. How do you know that? Fucking idiot. Right out.
We've seen that 97% of you watching aren't subscribed. If you enjoy watching us, just hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to never miss any upload. And if you have crazy footage, submit your videos using the link in the description.
Särskilda freder eller internationella förhandlingar i historien som man skulle kunna lyfta fram då för att få lite...
Primary mission was complete. If it all fell apart now, it wouldn't be her fault. Still, despite her absolute hatred for wars, she felt ill about the transaction. The yacht they'd agreed to kill in exchange for the PIN number contained several children. Or children...
Emergency video.
Oh my god.
To this vehicle right here. They got their hazard lights on, not sure why, and then I see the hood of that vehicle. This right here is the reason why you don't drive on a freeway when your hood is not secure.
Shit!
Good night, bro.
Green lights. Yeah, I know. Sailing, no traffic, and then holy shit, boom, he's done. Ooh, we just saw that in person, bro. Fuck.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
What do you... That was fucking close.
Do you not know how to use your side mirror?
St. Anna, City of Orange. Hi, young lady. St. Anna, City of Orange, Tustin, Irvine, Orange County Sheriff, Costa Mesa, Santa Ana.
How about us?
Yeah, Orange County Sheriff. You didn't even stop.
Oh,
Jesus.
wait a minute. Yep.
Yes! Oh my God!
Yep.
You stupid! Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Wow!
That's it.
That was great!
Fucking bitch.
Alright, you wanna play like that? Alright. You wanna fucking play like that, blind dude? Nah. We ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. I'm at the crossroads of East 30th Avenue and Peoria Street. This Nissan Altima that's in front of me is a copper collar, California license plate 9TL Z505. Literally freaking cut me off and freaking brake checked me. We're heading towards MLK. I don't know
which direction that is exactly. Huh? Well, kinda, because I'm having to go this way to go home. I have my child in the car.
Exit the traffic circle on East County Road 200 North. Continue on East County Road 200 North.
What the fuck are you doing? Fuck are you, idiot?
Northbound brake checking at the 59. Northbound brake checking at the 59.
Crazy shit going on here. Look, I ain't hit fucking nothing.
You stupid.